Here's the app called SoulHI, AI live roleplay, chat, play, and text with anime soulmate. Unlock your AI soulmate, discover your fantasy, unlimited characters, customize your AI lore, keep who you love. SoulHI AI chat roleplay, connect with unique AI personalities. Welcome to SoulHI AI, world of intelligent conversation and exciting adventures brought to life by Magic AI. Delve into the interactive world of SoulHI AI. A companionship like no other, immersive text-based adventures, customizable characters, evolving with you, privacy you can trust. And let's just tap get to install it. So just double click to install. And let's just open it up. And then you can just continue with Apple to create an account. Or you can do later in top right, and then you can just see chat. You can create your own character. And then you can just see your account. There is a plus account, there is your characters. There is invitation code you can invite. Redemption code you can redeem, and then you can just get more of this, but you need to log in. So that's kind of the idea.